Look who it is. Look who it is. I think it's beginning. This could be the start of something new. Boom. All right, Timski, what's the first order of business?
Gotta put the crank in.
Crank in. Oh, God. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. So you just find the little pin on the inside, line those up, and seat them in, give them a little, don't even need a love tap. Sit. Now you just give it a little lubrication for the rub and tug. Yeah. Oh, baby. And then massage it. Soup, 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 soup.
Yep.
All right. So we just wipe down where the bearing goes on the crank to make sure it's clean and doesn't score the bearings or anything.
Yeah, get all the processing oils.
Gotcha. Processing oils.
Because they actually coat them so they don't rust.
Ah, from factory, like when they send it to you.
Like, see how much shinier that is than that now?
Yeah. And this is the one that hasn't been wiped
Correct.
yet? Okay. How much does a crank usually weigh?
50 pounds.
Good Lord. Alright, main bearings on main caps. Same thing. Line up the little dowel. Snap her in there. Make sure she's even. Some love taps if necessary. Always got to blow on it 2 times. Make sure it's clean. And then they just go over. Love that. Love that.
Pretty much.
Two ugga-duggers. How many ugga-duggers, John?
2.
2 ugga. $50, $80. Cranks in, ARP, baby. Rod bearings going in. Give her the old stipple. STP oils, baby. Give her the good lubrication. Look at the tats. My man's been a gearhead. It runs in his bones.
The bevel.
Mm-hmm.
See how the one side's flat?
Okay. So this
beveled?
is, it has, this has
This
a,
side, it goes up against the crank.
okay.
If you put the flat side against the crank, it's going to run on that
On the
radius
edge,
right
yeah.
there and ruin the crank.
Don't want that. Roan cranks are mucho dinero.
Oh, you're good.
Oh yeah, clearance is good.
Got like an 1/8 inch down there.
Yeah.
So then we'll come around and check. Up and in the can, dip down a little on the keyboard. That should be fine. Definitely clear on that side.
It's lovely. And this is usually the.
That's usually the one that you got clearance.
Gotcha.
How it dips in like that.
Yeah.
So if that one's good, all of them are good.
Love that. Love that. No clearancing needed.
Yeah.
Pistons. High compression 2 relief valve pistons. Yeah. What are we running? 12 to 1?
This is like 11 to 1.
11 to 1? For a small block though? That's pretty
For
high.
street gas. For pump gas, it's not bad.
Shit. Love that.
Got it in?
Yeah. She's on there, bud. Darker down. Pistons and rods in. Oil pump going on. Kit already comes tacked up. Love that.
Just call it a greasy thumper.
A greasy thumper, baby. Oh, Tim, your technique is immaculate.
You gotta hit it with the slide and twist.
Oh. The slide and twist gets them every time. She's coming together. Oh, baby. Lifters are in. Need to find some bolts for the spider tray. Dog bones are in. Front cover. This front covering. Oil pump. Pistons, rods, cam. Woo! Twinkle, twinkle, bitch. Oh my God, Tim. Thank you, my guy. Fuck. Shit. It's happening. 6'3", baby. Ah, shit. No, don't lick me in the mouth. Fucking nasty. We don't do that shit. Stay. You want to be with the boys? My tears. Are you ready? We're ready.
Lift with the legs, boys.
Boom. 383, 383, 383. Tim, what is copper gasket good for?
Just like glue.
The sticky icky?
Coolant leaks, yeah.
The fuck did you just say? It's an adhesive agent.
Creates a molecular bond.
Yeah, the full schematics of the molecular bonds with the testicular, yeah.
Oh, that's a different subject.
Yeah. Hey, yo! Oh, yeah. The placement, just gotta line the dowels up, give it a little... Damn, you see them motherfucking aluminiums gleaming? Wind the dials up. One head, two head, three head, four. Justin's about to beat all the 5-0. Woo-hoo! Nice. You can't reuse head bolts unless they're ARP. Is that how that goes?
You can technically, anything that just has one torque setting, or torque spec, you can technically reuse it. If it has a torque to yield, like you have to torque it to a certain foot-pounds, and then do it a certain degrees, those are bolts that get stretched. So you're supposed to put new ones in. You're not supposed to reuse it.
You learn something new every day. Nah. We in here getting that.
So you just go until you hear
Cha-chink.
You just hear that? That's it?
That's it. Cha-chink.
That's not bad.
Cha-chink. Yeah, that's my bank account just dwindling. Cha-chink. But it's all worth it.
Literally push her out.
Yeah, push and oil. Damn, Tim, you moving fast as hell. I got one hand. Fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Oh, damn, Tim, you bent one. John, so you want to do the honors? Look at you building engines.
I know, huh? No. This one is 9.
Yeah, that was 10.
Alright.
Sick.
Oh, some of them are up and some of them are down.
In the overcast. Not paying attention to the shit.
I copied the multiple choice section in the short
He was
answer.
Like, oh, they go on this way. Alright.
Yeah. USA at the bottom. USA. Flat, yeah, make sure it's flat. You know what you're doing? Look, the rockers rock. The push rods push. The lifters lift. ABC 1, 2, 3. Get you an American muscle. Let me see how you're doing, Tom. Yeah, you're doing all right, yeah. You're good. Yeah, you're doing great. You, on the other hand?
Glad we have this great quality control.
Tim, I think he's losing it over here. He's breaking his neck.
It's not going in. Just leave it on there. It's not going down all the way.
That's true, because it's not.
Because the lifters aren't lifting.
No.
You know? Oh, no, because the push rod isn't. Yeah. You had to hit it with a clink, clink. Damn. I'm just overseeing, making sure everything is copacetic. You guys are doing great. So, boom. My cousin just left. Tim just left. That pretty much sums up this video. It's all here. The money's been spent. The block's back from the machine shop. Everything's almost all put together. Just got accessories. Throw some oil in it. Prime it. Set lash. Take it off the stand. Throw the clutch on. And all that other shit that goes back there. Transmission. And get the ball rolling. So that pretty much sums up this video. The next video you guys see will probably be us taking the motor out of the car. And I already got the car jacked up. As you can see, started taking shit apart already. So, motor built, engine out. Hopefully, I really want like 2 to 3 weeks of downtime and right back on the road ripping, tuning, having some fun, hopefully making some power, fun power. Nothing crazy. So, thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace.